In this video, I will teach you how to replace the battery of Logitech Z407 Remote Control. Following the arrow, push the battery cover forward. Remove the battery. To reinstall the battery, make sure that flat side of the battery of the negative must be installed toward the port with spring. Same thing on the other side. By the way, this uses AAA battery. Make sure that the protruding plastic goes inside the hole on the other side. Then push it back to lock it again. And we're done. Thank you.